Today we're looking at what is, in my opinion, one of the best methods to earn online. Now, this method, not only is it simple, anyone can do it, but more importantly, AI will not replace it. Because if you look where AI is going, it's actually getting scary. But here's my guarantee to you. With this method, you don't need any technical experience, you do not need to spend hours on it, and if you watch this video till the end, you could realistically set this up within an hour. It's that straightforward and simple. But let's go back to this point over here. AI will not replace the method I'm going to share with you. So there's a lot of talk online at this moment in time about AI set to replace jobs. If you go onto Google and just type that in, you can see it's saying here 300 million full-time jobs are expected to go within the next 12 months across these different categories down here. I mean, it's crazy. It really is. So you can see data entry, customer service, sales, white collar roses, and believe me, there's going to be a lot more than this going the way AI is expanding. So this method, we don't need to be worrying about this, and I am doing this method myself. So what are we talking about? It's this over here. It is creating your own community over on the platform School. Now, how it works is, let's go to the homepage and I'll show you this. But essentially, what happens is you can create a community around anything you like. So for me, I've got this one and another one. This one over here is all about earning money online without showing your face, spending hours on complex tech, or without any experience. And what I'm doing here is I share what I am doing online with faceless content to be earning online. So we have a community where the 216 members can come in, chat, ask questions, share what they're doing, and lots more stuff. And then we have the classroom where people can come in and go through these different classrooms. So, for example, if somebody wanted to learn about starting their own community on School, they can come into this method over here and we break it all down for them. So you can see up here, look, getting started, how to start this whole method, how the classrooms work in here, and lots more. That's just one of the things. But if we go to the homepage of this, so if I go to discover communities, this is why I say to you, AI is not going to replace this, okay? So the number one community on School is this one over here. It's called Pickleball. What does it do? It teaches you better strategies to play pickleball better. They charge $49 a month. They've got 1,300 members inside of there. So this community is making bank. It really is. If I scroll further on the page here, look, we've got this one over here, $37 a month. This one over here, Dance Academy, nearly $100 a month with 400 members. So you can see the potential with this to earn some really good money is huge. It really is. And if we scroll up to the top, let's go into hobbies. So potentially you might have a hobby and you can monetize it. And by the way, you don't need to be an expert because you're building a community of like-minded people around a certain hobby. And you can see in here, look, we've got knitting, we've got aftershaves, we've got someone who's doing photography, acting. Watch, I mean, look at that watch lover community. There's loads and loads of these different communities that you can set up around a certain category or a topic. So that was just in hobbies. But then obviously we've got music, we've got money, spirituality, health, sports, self-improvement, and it's a bloody great method for earning online. So you can see there's loads and loads of ways you can do this, and the barrier to entry is incredibly low because previously it used to cost $97 a month to start your own community. Now it's $9 a month. If you want to have a look at it, I'll link it down below for you. Click it, it'll take you over to the sign up page, and then you just go through the onboarding process. It's really straightforward and simple. But when we're talking about simplicity, it's just absolutely awesome. So let me come over here. I'm going to show you this. So this is another one of my communities that we're slowly starting to build up. So you can see we've got 50 members in here. Now, originally, this was a case study. So we set up this community as a case study for our Faceless Freedom members. And then it started doing well. And I'll show you it. So over in here, you can see we've got it up to $181 monthly recurring. Every month, $181 is coming in from this little community over here. Now, am I an expert in AI? Absolutely not. But again, what I am doing is I am sharing my knowledge and experience around the different classrooms. So you can see over here, ChatGPT, I use it daily. I know how to set up agents and workflows. So I have a classroom over here and we cover it. We cover, getting started with ChatGPT. We have checklists and worksheets and how to write better prompts. We've then got different ways you can be earning with this. And then we go into actual prompts. So whether it's a finance prompt, we would go into this and we give our members the actual prompts. We've also got prompt engineering, a full outline of prompt engineering. And then we've also got, what else have we got? We've also got agents, so how to set up agent mode, another bit. So all I'm doing here is I am doing faceless videos on here showing people, in this example, how to set up AI agents. And you can see in the different classrooms, this is how it looks. And to add information in here, people think, oh, bloody hell, I need to put in loads of stuff. I don't want to be on camera. It's difficult, etc. You don't. All you do is down here, you click on new course, you give it a name, you give it a little bit of a description, upload an image in here, which you can create for free on Canva. And then once you've done that, it then starts to look like this. This is how it looks on the inside. So you've got your little steps down here. And if you want to create a new one, you just come up here and you click on add a page. And it will go down here and you've got a new page. And then all we're doing here is we give it a little title like so. Put a bit of text in here. So this is an example. And then you can also upload images in here. You can upload videos. You can upload links and loads more. And like I said, in my opinion, it is one of the best ways you can be earning online because you can do it around an interest, a hobby, a skill set. You definitely don't have to be, an authority in it. You don't have to be an expert because you're building out these communities of like-minded individuals. And with regards to the pricing, you can set the price whatever you want. So like this one, for example, we've got this at $181 a month. Now you can charge as much or as little as you like for any of your communities. You can set them as free. So for example, somebody could come into this classroom and we may give them this one, and this one for free. So they come in, they get access to 3 classrooms. They also get access to the community. And then if I wanted to lock this one behind a paywall, all I would do here is I'd come over to edit course and I click on buy now. I then set the price. If I wanted it to say $17, and then I'd scroll down and click it on save. And then, in fact, let me do it so you can see this. I'm going to click on save. And then I'm going to click on view as a member. So you can see, look, it's locked. So if somebody wanted to buy it now for $17, they would simply click on here. It would open up, tells them a little bit about it, and then they would be able to buy that classroom instantly for free, instantly for $17. Let me just quickly change that and put it back over to open, and we're done. Now with this, I would say once I have set up my community, so I've got AI Income Lab and I've also got Faceless Freedom, once you've set these up, it's just a case of coming in and spending a little bit of time in there daily in your community. So if people are asking questions in here or you want to update in here, you just coming in and literally writing something in the community. But hands down, I genuinely think this is one of the best and also cost-effective ways anyone can be earning online. I really do. And if you are in Faceless Freedom, we've got a full classroom on this, walking you through everything. And if you're not in Faceless Freedom, why not? Come and join us. It is free. We've recently made Faceless Freedom free to come and get access to the classroom and the communities. So yeah, look, that's today's video. But what do you think of this method? And one other thing I'll say as well is you see here where it says live flash sale, I can instantly get a product or an offer or an affiliate offer in front of all of these members down here by creating an event inside of here using the calendar mode. And then when people come in, this is pinned right at the top. So in this example, we have got a flash sale on the GPT bot builder, which is $17. And it's just another way of getting our product in front of people who are already inside of our community, they know us, they like us and they trust us. So when we are doing these flash sales, they're converting really well. So yeah, any questions as always, do let me know.